Stationery.
What is this?
Carbon paper. Carbon paper. Thin paper with a dark substance on one side, that is used between two sheets of paper for making copies of written or typed documents.
What is this?
Clipboard. Clipboard. A small board with a clip at the top for holding papers, used by somebody who wants to write while standing or moving around.
What is this?
Correction tape. Correction tape. It's a strip of white, opaque, tear-resistant tape that you can apply over the area with the error and write over it, effectively covering up the mistake.
What is this?
Envelope. Envelope. The rectangular paper cover in which you send a letter to someone through the post.
What is this?
Eraser. Eraser. An object, usually a piece of rubber or plastic, which is used for removing something that has been written using a pencil.
What is this?
Glue stick. Glue stick. A tube-shaped container containing hard glue that is pushed up by turning a part at the bottom of the tube.
What is this?
Hole punch. A device used for making holes in pieces of paper so that they can be fastened together.
What is this?
Pushpin. A small pin with a small ball-shaped piece of plastic on one end, used especially for putting notices, pictures, on a board or a wall.
What is this?
Sticky note. A small piece of paper that is sticky on one side and that you can write notes on and put temporarily on a wall, in a book.
What is this?
Color pencil. Color pencil. A colored pencil is a type of art supply that consists of a thin wooden, plastic, or paper casing filled with a colored wax core.
What is this?
Crayon. Crayon. A crayon is a pencil containing colored wax or clay, or a rod of colored wax used for drawing.
What is this?
Duct tape. Duct tape. Very strong cloth tape that is waterproof and sticky on one side, often used for repairing things or covering holes in pipes.
What is this?
Ballpoint pen. Ballpoint pen. A pen with a very small metal ball at its point, that rolls ink, colored liquid for writing, onto the paper.
What is this?
Brush. Brush. An object with short pieces of stiff hair, plastic, or wire attached to a base or handle, used for cleaning, arranging your hair, or painting.
What is this?
Filing cabinet. Filing cabinet. A large piece of furniture in an office, used for holding documents.
What is this?
Fountain pen. Fountain pen. A pen whose nib, the point at the end that you write with, is supplied with ink from a container inside it.
What is this?
Highlighter. Highlighter. A special pen containing bright ink, used to mark words in a book, magazine.
What is this?
Mechanical pencil. Mechanical pencil. A pencil in which the lead is pushed out by turning or pressing a part of the pencil.
What is this?
Notepad. Notepad. A set of sheets of plain or lined paper, joined at the top edge, for writing on.
What is this?
Pencil. Pencil. A long, thin object, usually made of wood, for writing or drawing, with a sharp black or colored point at one end.
What is this?
Pencil sharpener. Pencil sharpener. A mechanical, electric, or small handheld device for making a sharp point on pencils.
What is this?
Rubber stamp. Rubber stamp. A small device with raised letters made of rubber, used for printing the date, name of an organization, on documents.
What is this?
Ruler. Ruler. A straight narrow piece of wood, plastic or metal, marked in centimeters or inches, used for measuring or for drawing straight lines.
What is this?
Scissors. Scissors. A tool for cutting paper or cloth that has two sharp blades, cutting edges, with handles, joined together in the middle.
What is this?
Stamp. Stamp. A small piece of paper with a design on it that you buy and stick on an envelope or a package before you post it.
What is this?
Staple remover. Staple remover. A staple remover is a device that allows for the quick removal of a staple from a material without causing damage.
What is this?
Stapler. Stapler. A small device that you can hold in your hand or use on a table to push staples through pieces of paper.
What is this?
Staple. Staple. A small device that you can hold in your hand or use on a table to push staples through pieces of paper.
What is this?
Tape. Tape. A long, narrow piece of material with a sticky substance on one side that is used for sticking things together.
What is this?
Tape dispenser. Tape dispenser. A tape dispenser is a device that holds and dispenses a roll of tape, typically cutting it to a desired length.